Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing what Facebook needs and initiating the stream. Sign into the page or profile that will host the video and make sure live permissions are enabled. Connect your camera and microphone or launch your encoder software if you're using PC-based streaming. Once done, verify you have at least 5 Mbps upload for smooth video, test audio levels and framing. Now click Create Livestream or Live on Facebook. Choosing the right destination ensures viewers and page settings apply correctly. You'll now configure the middle steps that control how your live looks and who sees it. Enter a clear title and description, choose the audience and add tags or a thumbnail. This affects reach. If using an encoder, copy the stream key and server URL into your software. If using camera, pick the correct device. Make sure to set resolution and bitrate, 720p or 1080p with 3,000 to 6,000 kbps and 30 fps is a reliable target. You're at the final steps. Start and manage the live broadcast. Click Go Live and keep an eye on the stream health panel and viewer comments so you can react in real time. Monitor CPU, network, and audio levels, engage viewers with prompts, and use pinned comments for links. When finished, stop the stream in Facebook first, then stop your encoder to ensure the recording finalizes. If buffering or disconnects occur, reduce bitrate to 1/500 to 500 kbps or move to a wired Ethernet connection to stabilize the feed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.